Hi guys, how are we all doing today? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rodian and today we are not up on the roof, even though it's not raining. Saying that, there is a weather warning out in the southeast of the UK because there's supposed to be thunderstorms coming, so, well. Anyway, we're not up on the roof. What I'm going to do today is what I told you all I was going to do yesterday and finish this fireplace. You can't see that because it's bloody dark. Hold on. That's better, you can just about see it. So we're going to get on and do that today. One idea that I'm going to take from one of you guys. So, bricklaying with Steve and Alex. I've come up with a fantastic idea which I'm going to use. Now, they're another YouTube channel. I have spoken to about them before on this channel. So, if you haven't gone over and seen them already, link in the description. Go over there and say hello and see what they're doing over there. They're doing some great stuff. I really do enjoy watching their videos. And hey guys, how you doing? Anyway, yeah, your idea of cutting snapped headers at 130, but in this case 150, and having them going straight along rather than stepping out that 30mm either side, so a double corbel. Now, you long-time watchers are going to know that I'm not very good at a double corbel, but in this case it should work out fine. So I've already pre-cut the bricks, and basically we're ready to go. And by the way, as the time stands now, it's almost 1:30 in the afternoon. And I'm only just starting to do something. So this morning I had to go to the dentist, then I had to go to the estate agents again, and then I had to go, oh yeah, I went to the roofing firm to ask for these, I found that apparently you need to have like Y piece of plastic so you can join the tiles together, the ridge tiles together, where the hip meets the ridge, if that makes any sense, like a Y piece. So I went in there and asked for that, and the dude said, nah mate, all you do is you just fix it in, muck in that joint where the ridge meets the two hips, muck it in with black muck and just join everything else in as you do everything as you would do normally with the dry ridge system. So it's still mechanically fixed. He said put if you can't fix it any other way, you have to put a screw, drill a hole in the top of each ridge, screw it through with a little rubber grommet on the top, and that'll mechanically hold it down, and then just point the middle up bit with black muck. And I thought, bloody hell. That sounds good, I like that. But anyway, more about the roof tomorrow. And more about why I'm not on the roof today and it's not raining. Again, more about that tomorrow. Right, so let's get on with this fireplace. I want to get it finished, get it looking nice. There's not really a great deal going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bricks and then this top course going on. Like I said before, I'm not going to put the, the mantelpiece on because A, I haven't got it, and B, I want it to adjust being in here when it's all finished. Heating's on, etc, etc. Right. So, should we go and knock some muck up and get on the line, eh? I think it's about time we finish this fireplace off. And once we've done that, we're going to joint it up, point it all up, so it should be completely finished in the next couple of hours or so. For you, next couple of minutes. Right, so let's go over there and get cracking, eh? There we go. I'll tell you what, bricklaying with Steve and Alex, you had a banger idea there. I really like that. That looks nice. Yeah, nice little overhang there. Yeah, that looks nice. I really like that. Tell you what, now we got to do the moment of truth. Let's take that turning piece out and see if it looks good with that out, because I know I just had a funny feeling that there might be too much of the blockwork shown. But when we put the turning piece in, we did check and it was bang on that line, wasn't it? Bang on that joint. I said it was just kissing that joint just ever so slightly, so that should work out perfect. But let's take it out and have a look. Oh, I've got a mantelpiece for my phone now. Right, I'm going to do this nice and easy. Tell you what, let's take this bit out first. It's like Christmas, opening presents. That's one side out. Stuck on this out. Bit of muck that needs cleaning off. Oh, why is that stuck? What's that stuck on? A bit of muck in there, that's right. Oh. Oh mate, that couldn't have gone any better. Oh mate, that's... Cool. There's a little bit of muck here and there that needs a bit of attention. Oh, there's a joint there, there's a little bit there. I'll tell you what, that's proper good, that is. Yeah, a little bit of muck here and there I couldn't get to. That's not a problem. Let's take this out and see it in its full glory. I'm well happy with that. Rack off. I'll tell you what, I don't even need to do that, I'll just pull it out. God, I tell you what, stood back here with all you guys, mate, I really like that. That's come up better than I thought it would. Mate, that looks proper good. I like that a lot. Right, let's start pointing it up. go. One basically finished fireplace. Now that, does it not look absolutely amazing? I think it does. It looks a little bit big there, but you have to imagine that the floor is up here. It's not down here, it's up here. So that is gonna look perfect. I love it. I absolutely love it. Bricklaying with Steve and Alex. Thanks for the idea for that. Really appreciate it. It just looks so good. Look at it from this angle. You can see the step out. It's quite nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. Very happy indeed. Right, now as I was pointing this up, I did think to myself, up the top here, it would be an idea to put maybe some slate or something like that instead of timber. Because obviously with the heat of this, it's going to expand and contract, I reckon, a lot more than I think it will. There's a stone merchant's close here, so I'll go and have a look. They've got a massive yard full of all different bits of stone, so I might see if get a little bit of slate to go up there, because I think that would look nice. And just don't overhang it too much. Probably, maybe, I don't know, overhang it by about 100 mil, and then fix that down somehow with some, I don't know how I'd fix it down. I'll work out a way of fixing that down, but that, I like that. I like the idea of that more than timber. I do like the idea of timber, but thinking in the long run, it's probably not the best material to use above a fireplace. I know you can use it, but I don't know. I don't know. It's probably food for thought again. I'll think about it because it's not going to be for a while yet. I'll put that in. But I'm very happy with this. It looks a little dark at the moment, but that's probably just because it's still a bit wet. But I'm very happy with it. Oh, Father Christmas is going to love coming down here, isn't he? There's plenty of room. I reckon I can climb up there. Yeah. Anyway, I'm very happy with this. It's raining quite heavily out there now, so I think I did this on the right day. Apparently there's storms tonight, storms tomorrow and the following day, so my original expectation of having a good week this week weather-wise is right down the sink, so that was that idea. Anyway, that'll do it for today's episode. Leave a like down below if you've enjoyed it, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So take care, have a good evening, and I'll see you then. It's alright.